dropped no videos in a minute, but finally got my bike and stuff, got her back and stuff, you know. But that's about it. She dirty right now, got caught in the rain. But I got some new things I put on her. As you can see, I got a new windscreen, zero gravity. I also got the winglets. eBay special. These ain't the name brand. I'm not finna spend $500-$600 on no winglets. I got these for $60 off eBay. Also, I got the wrap for my headlight, so I'm gonna wrap my headlight blue. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. And I might try to do these, but I might just leave it like that and just do my headlight blue. See how it looks, see if I like it. Also got some velocity stats I'm gonna throw in today to see if it's gonna be a major difference. It's supposed to be really good. I've seen a lot of people doing Carbon Smith and stuff like that, and I've been doing my research. I was gonna do the Venturi stats, but my conclusion, I was like, I'm gonna do EDR. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be different. I'm not gonna try to be like everybody else. That's pretty much it. Other than that, I didn't do nothing else different. Oh, I added this to it, my little grip thing, but I'm gonna end up taking that off though. But yeah, she real dirty right now. I'm gonna have to clean her up a little bit. But first, I'm finna try to get my head. Look at this shit. That shit bigger than them other. Oh shit. But yeah, here go my but basically my other bike. Right here, been chilling. Pretty much the same setup I got on my bike. But that's about it. I already been prepping and cleaning my headlight so I can try to stick it on. So we gonna see how this goes. So I ain't gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna just get back to y'all when I can. But I'll be back. But alright, I'm back. So I'm about to put my stacks in. So. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of videos out here y'all saw, but take these two out. But I gotta take this side fairing off, take the seat off, and take this off, and then take the seat off and lift it up. I'm gonna take the whole tank off. That way I can do it and do it easy without struggling. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna record too much of it, but you know, I'm gonna try to get what I can do. So y'all, so I'm gonna take this side fairing off. If y'all can see, take that off. Then once you take that off, it's for anybody who never did it or who don't work on their own bike. I work on my stuff myself, so I don't really take it to the shops unless I gotta get a dyno to them. So I do gotta take it to the shop soon to do that. But you just pull it down like this. Then it's a tab right here. Tab right there. Boom, pops off. Tabs in there right now. And that's it. Alright, so I got my tank off. The tank, you just take these two screws out, and then right here, you're gonna have a bolt right here that go through here, and that's gonna take the nut, screw, boom, pull the tank off. Make sure you disconnect these, but when you plug them up, make sure you plug it back up. If you don't, bike will not. It's gonna crank up, but it's gonna act funny. But right now I'm about to take the air box off, so I'm gonna take the injectors off real quick. Then I'm gonna unscrew the air box, get in there and do the stats, put it back together, and go drive it, see if they're a big difference. Alright, so I finally got the EDR performance stacks in right now. As you can see, put it in now. I got my old stacks off over there. Pretty much just took everything off to make sure everything was in working order. Everything was just, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty much it now. Pretty basic stuff. While installing the EDR performance stacks, I noticed that if you tighten them up super tight, they will have a gap. So you got to make sure that you tighten them up evenly so they can be flush against the air box. But so far so good. I'm gonna test them, put everything back together, go for a ride, see what happens. But thank you. See what's gonna go down.